They got frozen smoothies. You want one? I'll go back out in the rain for you.
Nope.
Yeah, I brought some of the specialty.
And Sprint says that they have delivered something here. They don't even deliver in the port, they deliver in the garage. It's ridiculous. If it's a big package, it's scary. If it's raining, it's not fun. And are you gonna install that?
No.
Why?
Because there's no network to hook it to yet. I will install it, but not until there's a way to check it.
Huh?
I'll install it, but not until there's a way to check it. What's the point? Let's install it now. There's no network. No network. You can't hook to anything. You can't access it with your phone. There's no network.
So when are you gonna install that?
When there's a network.
You see that face?
I don't like to.
That's my husband's annoying face. Since I know how to drive, guys, he keeps telling me, you drive.
You do it.
Look, he keeps saying that. Now that I know how to drive, he keeps saying, you drive, I sleep.
Using the expression know how to drive loosely.
I know how to drive.
Loosely.
Whatever, Tommy. You're like, oh my God. He's been annoying me since he got here. Like, give me a heart attack. Like, my heart is always squeezing every time he's around. What? He's always hurting me. Like, ee. What are you doing?
Where do you put the coffee pods?
Secret. Honey, you just keep dumping here. Whatever's empty thing, you dump in here. It's right here, all under here.
You don't need to be up there. You can go up here where you can't reach. It doesn't matter.
The coffee area is right here. Okay, so everything here is gonna be here.
You want to use the areas you can't reach for something you don't use too often. Oh, I agree. I think all your friends should know you're a pain in the neck. Like that.
Don't listen to him, guys.
Uh-huh.
How many phone is in there? You have to be careful with this, okay? Because every time you turn and use this one and it hit in the other side here, and there's a like script in the side already in there. So we have to go to Home Depot to change because Monday we are not going in there. Oh no, we're not. We're going there anyway to get the paint. So. What did you have for lunch?
I can just go on here. What I have for lunch? Nothing. They got frozen smoothies. You want one? I'll go back out in the rain for you.
Nope.
Those are frozen. Frozen drinkies.
Good and bad, you did fancy things in life. Shall we be alright?
Bedroom, guys. Look at that. It's very cheap in here.
Tell me what you really ride me. Baby, tell me what you die for me. Will you spend your whole life with me? Will you be there to also?
I don't even know how to drive.
I know how to stop.
Oh shit! You know what, son? God, it's just ridiculous. This is getting ridiculous. It's gonna be bump my head and go ruin me.
Where's your seatbelt?
I did.
Well, you're good. Don't worry about it.
You know. Don't need a swimming pool that is underground.
Very nice.
Yeah, and then there's the tax. The tax is crazy here in New York, like additional for everything.
Well, you'll save that much money on dog food.
Then go ahead, get rid of the dog. That I can have my white dog for me.
I don't trade in a dog. That don't save you no money. Trade one for another.
Are you kidding me? You really don't. I thought you love dog. Now you trade in or you get rid of the dog. That dog is ridiculously cute. Keep going, honey. This is not a turning area here.
Good street name.
No, you are contemplating if you are going to turn. I knew
So I
it.
can't read the street name.
There you go. You turn right over here.
Turn right, you turn left.
Left. I really have a disorder of kind of which is which. I'm like Wendy. Wendy, if you're watching this, I don't know if you're watching, but if you're
Just
watching
been
this,
insulted.
if you're watching this, I
Just
know you
insulted.
always turn left, and then she turn right, turn left, turn right, she turn left. I remember that when I salting. Oh my God! Can you just slow down?
I am slowing down.
No, not you, the other one.
Maybe it's going
This
slow.
is small fire department.
Firehouse, right.
Yeah, very small. It's like
That's your mile fire
who
department.
the fuck is calling me? That's them.
800. Hello.
This is an important message from Verizon Online regarding your high-speed internet order. We'll participate in play in your service date.
This is what we're driving now, guys. The rain is crazy. Go down, hon. Don't go crazy.
Oh, the guy running. Get out.
Verizon, oh. Verizon, oh. Doesn't even do nothing.
There's the bumper up.
Go down, hon. Please. Because we don't know if there's water here. We're gonna wiggle in this truck. Oh my God. Ah! There's stuff playing! Ah,
Hey, we going in the truck.
ridiculous.
Wiggle.
Very scary, guys. I mean, if you are here, you can't even almost see the road, but you can see it clearly, not really clearly, but look. This is what's going on in this thing. There's a truck over there. There's another truck over here. I'm a galaxy. Luckily, I'm not the one driving because it would freak me out like this.
They didn't have a car. Pat Manafar was warming up by where we were.
Huh?
Pat Manafar was conquered up there last night. So far, you could have got there.
That's nice. What's going on what last night? Look who's in there. Daddy's eating some stinky cheese. Huh? Cheese really, honey? It's really bad for the dog, hon. Bad. Roxy, bad. Do you want more, Roxy, do you want more?
She does.
She keep leaving. Roxy, now she's going to follow you. We're home a while ago. And I'm not cooking anything because there's a lot of leftover. And what am I doing? Mango. And there is a green one here. Hold on, he's calling me. You call me? What? What do you want? So, what? Huh? Leftover? There is an eggplant here. Steak. Oh yeah, you want, no, you can have the steak, I can have the salmon. Han, you can have the steak. You don't eat salmon, you eat steak. So I'm gonna have mango later.
Some hospitality that you guys like so much, hospitality. Sorry, MaryAnn, we should do your faces.
What are you doing here? Miss K has presented me with a very compelling proposal. Yeah, I am familiar with
Yeah.
her proposal. Difference is,
Box of that.
Captain Gates,
Hospitality
she
is
is
everything else is a little bit left.
as consultant on this.
There's rice here, there's corn, there is eggplant here.